G'day, my name's Cozzy and I wanted to say congratulations on your purchase of your Notwood retaining wall. Righto, this is the exciting part. We're going to show you guys and girls how easy and simple it is to build yourself your brand new retaining wall. We are ready to get started. Let's go. Let's also run through all the things that you guys are going to need to have with you. Concrete sleepers, check. Steel posts, base plates, your component kit, and that of course includes spike, turnbuckle, eye nut, hex screw, and tie backs. Oh yeah, and star droppers. The next items need to be purchased in addition and include sand for leveling base plates and gravel. Oh yeah, and also make sure you can get your hands on these tools nice and easy as well. Shovel, hammer, string line, steel or wood pegs, and of course you'll need a spirit level. Okay, let's start off with a bird's eye view of the installation so you can actually see the layout of everything. Looking pretty good. Now let's look at the cross-section view. Okay, let's get started. Step number one, string line. A string line is used to help create a straight line between two reference points. It's super important to establish your string line prior to installation, and that ensures your wall remains straight throughout the installation period. First, using the pegs, run a string line to ensure that the wall is straight. Now determine your ground level using the long spirit level and find the high ground. Step number two, base plates. Using sand, level the ground for placement of the first base plate. Oh hey, this is really important. It's critical that the base plates do not move whilst being secured to ensure that your wall remains straight. Step number three, steel posts. Place the appropriate steel upright on the base plate. Slot your first sleeper and check your level. Hammer in the spike to secure the base plate, which is included in the component kits. Secure the eye nut in the pre-drilled hole with the hex screw. Make sure this is facing the backfill section of your wall. Step number four, buckles and ties. With the steel upright level on the base plate, place the turnbuckle through the eye nut in the extended position. Now hook tie back to turnbuckle. Keep the tie back relatively loose. Do not tighten the turnbuckle just yet. Now, with the opposite end of the tie back at the bottom of the star dropper, hammer partway into the ground. This should be done as close to possible to a 90-degree angle to the tie back. Step number five, spacing. Next, proceed to the level area for your next required base plate. Your sand plate will need to be approximately 1 meter from the first steel post. Now repeat the above steps as required to install all base plates and steel posts. Step number six, drainage and backfill. Now backfill the first layer with free drainage materials, for example, it could be sand or gravel. And next, tighten the turnbuckles to align your wall. To do so, grip the centerpiece of the turnbuckle and turn in a clockwise motion. Continue to slot, backfill, and align one layer of sleepers at a time until your wall is complete. And just like that, we're done ski. How easy and simple was that? And that is what Notwood is all about. For more information and other awesome products, why don't you check out notwood.com.au. We'll see you next time.